Headings are defined using the H1 to H6 tags by order of importance, where H1 is the most important and H6 is the least important. We've already made a heading in the introduction lecture, so you know that it follows the basic element syntax. This time, let's make all 6 types of heading and take a closer look at the result. Since the coding of the elements will all look similar, we're going to use a feature of Sublime that allows us to manipulate multiple lines at once. Type the numbers 1 through 6, each on their own line. Select them all and go to Selection, Split into Lines, or press Ctrl-Shift-L on PC or Command-Shift-L on Mac. This turns our one selection into 6 unique selections. Go to Edit, Copy to copy these 6 selections. Delete what you have and begin typing the heading tags like normal. Each time that you need to type one of the 6 numbers, go to Edit, Paste, and your numbers will be placed for you. If this quick typing method isn't working right for you, you can accomplish the same thing by writing each line out individually. Just remember to change the tags from H1 to H6 as you go down the lines. Let's save and take a look. As the importance of the heading tag decreases, its prominence on the page decreases as well. A word of warning though, don't use the headers for the sole purpose of having big, bold text. That's not what headers are for. There are other ways to make big, bold text that we'll discuss later. The use of headers is intended to add structure to the page's content. Not only will your users look at the headings for clues about the content, but search engines and web crawlers will index your page based on relevance by examining these tags. Search engines and web crawlers don't have eyes. They need to know what areas of your page are most and least important by reading these heading elements. Since we're talking about headings, let's take a minute to talk about the HTML head element. One of the most important HTML elements found in the head element is a title. The title element defines the document's title and is oftentimes displayed on the browser's tab. We've already used the title element in the past, but I wanted to note its importance to users, search engines, and web crawlers. It too serves as a clue to the content that will be found on the page. There are other elements common to the head, but we'll talk more about those when we add style to our page later in the course.